Hi, my name is Karen Webster. I'm here to discuss the tool Bubble Us. It is a mind mapping tool, is what they call it. And for nurses and nursing students, nurse educators, it can be used for concept mapping, um, which creates an opportunity that is both educational and visually appealing. It's pretty easy to get started. You would need your textbooks, any research on the topic that you're choosing to concept map, your team members, your knowledge, and a plan, maybe even paper and pencil if you like to diagram out what you're going to do a little bit before you start. You type the address listed here below into the address bar, and you can either choose to register, or if you've already registered, you click sign in. And we'll watch a brief video that shows a lot of the functions and usefulness of
Hello
Bubble
and
S.
welcome. In this video tutorial, we are going to cover the basic functions of the Bubble Us software. Once you are signed into your account, you will see a list of your existing mind maps. You can create a new mind map by clicking the New Mind Map button. To edit one of your saved mind maps, simply click on the name of the mind map you want to open. Once you open your mind map, you will be directed to the mind map editor. On this screen, you can see that there is a tabs ribbon which lists all of the mind maps that are currently open. Below it, there is an editor ribbon which contains the controls for editing your mind map. Below the editor ribbon is the mind map editor. This is where you will be editing your mind map. To create a new parent bubble, click the green plus button in the bottom right-hand corner of the editor, or hold Control and click where you want the new bubble to appear. When you click inside of any bubble, you will notice that an editing menu appears above the bubble. Here you have the options to change bubble and text color, change text size, add connecting lines, upload files and images, and delete bubbles. To create a child bubble, either click on the Add Child button or press Ctrl-Enter. To create a sibling bubble, press Tab or click on the Add Sibling button. To move a bubble, click on the bubble and press until the Move Cursor icon appears. You can then drag the bubble to its new position. To move the entire mind map, click and hold anywhere in the background and drag the mind map to its new position. To undo a change you made to your mind map, click the Undo button in the top right-hand corner of the editor. Note that as you make changes to your mind map, the changes are automatically saved. You can see that in the editor ribbon, in addition to the Undo button, you have the options to share your mind map, save your mind map as an image or HTML outline, view your mind map in presentation mode, or print your mind map. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy mind mapping!
Some of the features that we saw in the video show that you're able to change the color or the font and edit the size of the cells. But what we also are able to do is add additional arrows in which can indicate relationships between concepts. So all of these features help us to improve the visual appearance and improve comprehension of relationships between concepts. There's a lot of pros. It's free to use. You can share your work electronically. You can or download and print, whichever you prefer. You can share and even edit with other members of your group. Visually appealing, and you can save multiple concept maps in an online format. Negatively, you are limited with your shape options. Other software offers you the opportunity to choose between different shapes, which can help with different meaning, whether it's a triangle or a square instead of just the oblong shape. The internet access that you need to have in order to edit online, and obviously the user's comfort level with technology. It's pretty important to be able to concept map as a student. It facilitates active learning similarly to technology itself, and it enhances the development of clinical skills. You're able to combine a significant amount of information on one page and view relationships between several different topics. I've provided a list of references if you're interested in exploring anything any further, and thank you for your time.